How to stack coupons on Shein account. First, you want to open up your browser and go to shein.com and make sure that you have signed into your account. Once you have done that, click on this profile icon, and once you do that, it's going to bring you to Personal Center. Here you can find the option of coupons, so click on that and you're going to find unused coupons and expired coupons. So here under unused coupons, you're going to find all the coupons that you have stacked that you can use in the future. So to get more coupons, all you have to do is purchase a lot of products from Shein and be a regular customer. Once you get your coupons, you want to save them for later use. So don't immediately use it, and save it for future use, and that is how you can stack the coupons. So stacking coupons can be really helpful because sometimes you don't even have to pay for a few products because the coupons are going to cover them. So in this way, you can stack coupons on Shein account. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.